Alright, so this is my Audi B6 with a 2.7 in it, and I'm having an issue. The car's been sitting for the past month and a half that it cranks but it won't start. I've checked fuel, I've checked spark, doesn't have either one. I've checked all fuses, I've checked all relays. They're all working, no, nothing's blown. ECU's getting power. I even have a battery charger on it, but all the power cuts out when I crank it, but nothing like it's a dead battery, almost like it's a loose connection. But I just checked all my grounds. I checked the motor ground to over by the passenger motor mount, and then I checked the grounds for the ECU, and they all looked fine. I even pulled them out, cleaned them up, same thing. Anyways, it's only 10.5 volts, but what'll happen will still happen when it's got 12 volts. But let's start it, well, crank it, see what happens. Yep, nothing. Usually the RPM sensor moves, but that time it didn't. It's weird. But I'll show it on this and I'll crank it again. 3, 2. Ooh, it's dead now. It could be a bad battery. I can't really tell. I've had it sitting on the charger for a while and it still doesn't do anything. My battery voltage won't go over 12 on the screen here. And I mean, that's reading terminal 30. It's always said it's been low. The battery's probably a little over 2 years old. I've never ran it dead until just now. So I'm kind of stumped on what it could be. I posted online, a lot of people said it was crank sensor. I checked that. Well, no, I haven't checked that, but I got another one. I just haven't installed yet. I'll probably wait till I pull the motor to put in different KO4s, since the ones I got are junk. They're FTGs, which I think are made by Excess Power. I rebuilt them with OEM Borg Warner stuff. One of them's okay, and the other one, it was leaking oil. I threw it in anyways. I wanted to get the car running, but I should have just went OEM as it was. But I might throw up a video of me pulling the motor soon, but we'll see. I gotta figure out how to get this thing started, or get this thing to start, and then I'll pull it all apart. But anyways, I'll show what it looks like here in a second. Looks pretty cool. Did a swap in probably a couple weeks. I had the motor, everything all pulled out, and put new seals in it. The swap was actually pretty easy. The wiring was the hardest part. I still have trouble with the fans. I don't know what to do with them. They kind of just get all right together. But anyways, thanks for watching. Hopefully maybe someone can come across and help me figure out this issue. I mean, it should be pretty common sense, but struggling. And you can see there's no fault codes or anything, so I'm kind of clueless on what it could be. But, yep. Thanks.